what's up everybody? It's your girl Varquidia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Reading with my sister and my best friend Jen. And we're gonna do, and Jen's cousin Carmen. We're gonna do a seafood boil today, so we're at the store and we're gonna get the stuff. Potatoes, we're about to put them in. We got Old Bay sauce. We got this sauce, which is chili garlic sauce. We got the lobster in here. It's live lobster. Look at them moving. Oh my god, that's nasty. We got crab legs right here. And then we got raw fish so that we can make them. There's obviously onions, the potatoes, and then we got garlic. You obviously need your drink to make sure that it's a successful seafood boil. The onion got me ready to cry, but let's get to it. And y'all, look at this. My friend got some flowers sent to her. Aren't they so cute? Yes, Jen, we're not about to show the address and nothing, but look how beautiful. And look at these.
Fresh corn.
Qué bueno se ve. The corn and the potatoes are in there.
Ok, ahí tenemos hirviendo el maíz y las papas.
Y la papa. Y aquí tenemos, here we have the lobster and the crab legs.
Aquí tenemos la langosta y la pata de cangrejo, pero faltan los camarones.
Ajá.
Los camarones se añaden al último momento porque se cocinan muy rápido.
Yeah, we have the shrimp right here, but we're not going to put them in yet because they cook real fast.
Mantequilla, aceite de oliva.
Sauce, she put Old Bay sauce. ¿Qué más le echó? Butter and olive oil.
Olive oil. Ahora viene el ajo en polvo.
And you need a beer, Corona, and then you put seasoning. That's onion, ¿verdad? Garlic powder.
Vamos a meterle el ajo.
Let me make sure. Yeah, garlic powder.
Garlic right now.
And then the garlic that I cut up, and then the onion. Make sure you get all of it. You can put more butter if needed.
Ahí y a fuego mediano.
Medium
Heat.
heat. You put the cerveza, the beer. She just put the chili sauce.
I put the garlic.
More garlic.